Hey, it's Tricia at Club Scrap with the beautiful sea glass scrapbooking page kit. Let's check it out. I'll start out by showing you the gorgeous papers in this collection. We've got this really sweet bottle print with that wood texture background and a lot of sea glass and shells on it. And we have 2 sheets of this ombre print featuring all of the colors in this collection. You'll receive 12 sheets of 80-pound cardstock to complement those prints. We have a light aqua, 3 dark aqua, 3 soft white, 3 orange, and 2 yellow, 12 by 12 sheets included. And we've designed 2 sheets of 12 by 12 printed cut-aparts. These are filled with tons of border strips, journaling prompts, and images that will help you finish those pages. You'll also want to embellish your pages, and we've got help for you right in the kit. Let's start with the ribbon. We have a 3/8 inch double-faced dark aqua satin, and then this 5/8 inch metallic grosgrain in a light aqua, plus a full yard of the sheer yellow organza. We've got a neat woodcut for you. It says relax in a nice cursive font. A set of 16 self-adhesive cork labels. You can use them for small captions. 3 adorable message in a bottle tags, and a set of 10 silver cork sequins. You might find it interesting to see what happens next. As soon as I get a sample of the entire collection, I bring it in my studio, and every time I make a cut as I'm creating the layouts, I make note of it in my graph paper notebook. And then I turn all of those sketches and that entire plan into a set of easy to follow instructions. And I also film a workshop video that guides you every step of the way, leaving you absolutely no scraps and 8 12 by 12 completed pages. And here are those layouts. You can see that we incorporate the ribbon, the embellishments included in the kit. Here's that neat relaxed woodcut in that page. We work in double page spreads, and we use best practices for layout and design. So if you follow along, you know you will be successful. And again, you'll end up with no scraps, just pages ready for your photos and your memories. I hope you'll pick up your sea glass page kit workshop while supplies last. Remember, members always save, but anyone can shop. I look forward to seeing you in class.